Hi everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to export range of cells in Excel to CSV file with VBA code. In Excel we can save the whole worksheet as a CSV file by using the save as function. But have you ever tried to export a range of cells from one worksheet to a CSV file? In this tutorial you will get the method to solve this problem in Excel. Here I have a VBA code to export a range of cells from Excel to CSV file. Please do as follows. Hold down the Alt F11 keys together and it opens the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Click on the Insert tab, click on the module and paste the following VBA code in the module window. Then press the F5 key to run this code and the prompt box will pop out to remind you of selecting the range of cells that you want to export as a CSV file. After specifying the range, then click the OK button and specify a directory for putting the new CSV file. And give a name for the CSV file in the file name text box. Then click the Save button. And as you can see, the selected range has been saved as a CSV file. You can go to your specified folder to view it. The link to the VBA code is provided in the video description. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.